Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking for a dryer to fit in your small home or workspace, check this one out from Panda. This is the perfect fit for this extremely small apartment. We used to have to wash the clothes and then hang them dry, and there's not a lot of ventilation or even extra space to hang things in this apartment. So this dryer has literally changed our whole laundry routine. It's compact enough to not take up a whole lot of extra space, while at the same time still being able to fit a good amount of clothes in there. I love that it has so many different settings, so depending on what I'm drying, I'm able to dry it on cool, warm, hot, or even just air dry. These slippers, I wasn't sure how they would react to too much heat, so I just put them on air dry, and I was surprised how quickly they did dry out. We have this right by the shower, so we can throw our towels in the dryer to get them nice and warm on those cold winter days. That way we come out to a toasty, warm towel out of the shower. So if you're looking for a compact dryer that's going to do a great job of drying your small loads of laundry, you need to check this one out from Panda. I think you're going to love it. We definitely do. And that's our point of view.